For my part of the project, I'm doing my presentation on the story problem. This is the story problem. Person has $713 in base 15. They will be fined $10 in base 15 every day until they pay their rent. Rent is $30 in base 15. They need to pay their rent within 30 base 15 days. Question 1. How many days would they have to pay their rent in base 10? Question 2. How much money would they have lost from fines assuming they never paid their rent in base 10? And number 3. How much money would they have left over to paying fines and 1 month's rent in base 10? So for the answer key, I had to convert days from in base 15 to days in base 45. And then the starting amount from base 15 to 10, and the same thing with the fine amount. For days, 30 base 15 days is equivalent to 45 base 10 days. For the starting amount, $713 in base 15 is equivalent to 1,593 in base 10. And for the fine amount, $10 in base 15 is equal to $15 in base 10. For the answer, number 1, they would have $45 in base 10. They would have 45 days to pay their rent, base 10. Number 2, they would have been fined $675 in base 10 after finally paying their rent on the last day, but $720 in base 10 after 1 month's rent is included. And for number 3, they would have $873 in base 10 left over after it's all said and done.